Keep going on that corner one, equalize the tension. How's that feel? Perfect.
Recording sample for the half-inch fraction. Uniformity is consistent.
Oversize is still running a bit high on the top end.
Yeah, but the mid-size looks clean going into the bin. RAP feed rate is steady at 150. Silos are topped off. Roger that. We'll watch the moisture.
Transfer complete. All systems green.
Control, this is Tank Farm. We are online and transferring to the pug mill. All systems green. Truck 42, your load is complete. Pull forward and send the next one in.
Truck 32, you're clear to move up to the chute. Come ahead, over. This is truck 4. We are loaded with 20 tons of mix at temperature. Go ahead and close the gate.
Continue on the highway for 20 miles. Then take exit 49B toward the job site.
All right, bring it back easy. Watch the hopper. Okay, lock it down and raise the bed. Let's go. Keep the line moving. All right, hold the grade right there. Bringing the next load in now. Watch the center joint, keep rolling.
Keep it steady right there. Make sure the overlap is perfect. The seal looks good, keep going.
Density, 146.2 PCF. Compaction, 96.2%. Results meet specifications.
Everything looks good. The RAP density is excellent. Great. We'll get this open now.
Binder rate updated. We are good to go.
Here is the final report for review. All specs passed.
Very good. These results look solid. Approved.
Okay, highway is clear. Road open. Get the truck moving.
Okay, bringing the burner up slightly. Moisture levels are normalizing now.
Final inspection passed. All quality requirements met. I'll sign off on this.
The recycled asphalt project is officially complete.
Thank you, it's been a successful partnership.
A job well done by the whole team. Recycled asphalt pavement offers significant environmental benefits. It reduces landfill waste, cuts down on CO2 emissions, and conserves virgin material, verifying long-term performance. The pavement remains durable and sustainable.
This video is created for educational purpose using AI tools. The script and ideas were inspired by public info and competitor concepts, then rewritten using AI to ensure originality. Visuals and animations are AI generated using VO3, Meta AI, Grok AI, and editing is done in CapCut. We do not copy or use any other creator's content. This video is informative only and does not present AI visuals as real footage.